Good day guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So sharply in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get your church flyer design, or let me say graphic resources, but mostly today we'll be talking about church flyer. Now a lot of person has been in my DM asking me how can I get church, especially this thing what is it called, light effect and light flare and the rest. How can I get it? How can I a lot of persons has been in my DM concerning that. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get it. I'll show you guys how to get this thing. Now it's not like you don't know what you want, but most times you don't know the exact keywords to place the prompts to get what you want. And now let's do this way. Now this is how you do it. This is the right way to achieve these things. Now let's say you're looking for, first let's start with church flyer background. Now this app now is called Pinterest, and if you don't have this app as a graphic designer, then you're missing out on a lot. With the help of this app, you'll be able to get inspirations, you'll be able to get background, you'll be able to you get access to a lot of things. So now let's just dive into this thing. So now enter your search bar. Are you seeing? Now what do you type? Now if you're looking for a church flyer background, first of all, if you have the color in mind, maybe the color that you want to work with, all you need to do is to just come here and search something like, just do some, okay, look at all the this I've searched for. So just do church flyer background. Now I will show you the difference between church flyer background and just background, so that you will, are you seeing that when I search for church flyer background, they gave me a lot of church flyer background because I wasn't specific about the church flyer background that I need. Now let me just open one to show you something. This is what they showed me. So let me download this. Now if you want to download, are you getting me? This is what you do. I'm looking for another thing, so I will show you how to download it. Now if you want to download, like for instance, now this is what you want to download, this background. All you need to do is to tap on these three buttons that you're seeing here, tap on it, then tap your download. Automatically it will download to your image. Okay, it has downloaded. Now do you see that we clicked on one background and we've started seeing a lot of beautiful background depending on the concept that you need. Now most of the background you see here will fall within orange, yellow, red and the rest, all those fire related background. Now let's say you have a specific color in mind. Just come here, just search. Okay, let's say you're looking for something like brown. Just do brown color church flyer background. Are you seeing the prompting? Brown color church flyer background. So let's wait for it to load. I think it's network, that's why we're seeing the delay. I just think it's network. Oh. Okay. So are you seeing that they've showed us the brown color church flyer background. Now the truth is, the background you get from here will not be enough depending on the design that you want to do. Now don't forget that these backgrounds, they were also manipulated by another person. They were also manipulated by people, another designer, and they uploaded it on this app. So now what you do is, most times you download the one that is related to what you need, then you manipulate it. Then now if you don't know how to manipulate background, I've done a video on that in my channel. So just go to my channel, you'll see video on how to manipulate background, and afterwards I will soon drop another video on background manipulation. So let me say for instance, now I want to use this background for my design. I download it. So I'll also show you how to manipulate background, but it will be video after this one. Are you getting me? Now, so now let's start for lens flare or light effects. Just light effects first, because a lot of person has been asking me, well, let me just turn on this thing. How can I download light effects and the rest? Now, are you seeing that immediately we've gotten this thing? So now if you want to download now, you click, I've already downloaded it, so no need of downloading again. You do the same way. Now let me say, for instance, now see, let me tell you something. Most times just download background and drop, just like when you're saving in a rainy day, because time is coming when you will just go out of creativity, and just one background alone will just help you be out of that blockage of creativity. So when you see background that you love like this, you just click here, you download image, just leave it. Now I will show you how to manipulate it, but it will be a video after this one, so just stay tuned. Now let's look for icon, because I realize that most of you are even having issues in icon. Let's say you're looking for icon. So if you now there's what we call location icon, which a lot of us don't know how to get it as graphic designer. We'll just see it on people's designer. Now this thing you're seeing, this object you're seeing is called location icon. So if you want to get it, this is how you get it. Location icon. Location icon. So now for those of you now that maybe you need maybe your client give you a job and ask you to put a social media handle and you don't know how to get them, come here, tap social media what? Okay, social media handle icon. Just anything that has to do with icon. Are you seeing? Then now you be the one. If you want to download this one, the original color that has its main brand, you download. If you want to download the one that is black and white so that you can erase it easily, you also download. Now let's do something like birthday background. Now birthday background will not give you what you really need, so all you need to do is to manipulate to your taste. But let's just put ordinary background. Let's see what will come out. Background, a lot of things will come out. You'll be the one to decide what you want and what you don't want. So for instance, if you're looking for church flyer, you include church flyer so that people will know that okay, this is what you're actually looking for. Like this background now, seeing this background now, I've already created a concept that we'll use in working with that background. So are you seeing how this thing works? So this is how this thing works, guys. So I believe I've been able to solve this problem for some persons. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.